Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back. In this video today we are doing the quick release on the G35, and then we restore my headlights, wash the car, and then I give a little quick update on the fish tanks. And yeah, that's about it. Let's get into it. Alright, we're doing the quick release. It's going in. We got the hub, quick release, steering wheel stuff. It's going down.
None of the right tools.
Airbags coming off. Let's go. Alright, we got the hub on, and now we're doing quick release.
You have to loosen it up. I think that's the technique. You gotta hold it in the center.
Oh, now there's no play?
Might not have been on all the way before.
But it's on. It looked good. We got some things to figure out still, but it's all over.
I think
looks pretty good. All right, what's up guys? It's a couple days later after we did the quick release that night. Right now I'm working on a few things for the G. Looks like it's about to rain. It's been raining and windy, so it's like super dirty. But right now, as you can tell right there, I'm finally clearing up the headlights because the headlights are super foggy, and I guess I'll do this for now until I get aftermarket ones. But yeah, let me show you the progress. All right, so this is the one that I haven't done yet. Put the tape around so I didn't get the paint or the carbon hood messed up from sanding it. As you can tell, super yellow and foggy. And then this is the one I just finished doing. Polish and everything. It looks brand new. Turned out really good. But yeah, car's super dirty. Alright guys, we're gonna get a little time-lapse action going on this one while I do this one. And yeah, so hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, we finished both sides. Both done. Now it's time to wash this thing. It's pretty dirty. Alright guys, so this is what the quick release looks like. We got the Momo collapsible hub. Got a D&D quick release. And then D&D steering wheel and the leather. It's got black stitching with the black stripe. This is my friend's wheel. I'm gonna get, once I get mine, I'm gonna give this back. Mine's gonna be the same, but I'm gonna get the perforated leather with purple stitching and a purple stripe to match the purple. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Pretty good quality. Spline quick release too. So no dinging, but safety first, so our wheel doesn't fly off. But yeah, these are my little airbag wires and stuff. I gotta figure out how to tuck those away, and then once I get my wheel, I'm gonna try to hook up the steering wheel control thing somehow. Gotta figure that out. This is what it looks like with the wheel on. It's a simple, you push this towards there and pull it out. I'm sad that it's not a pull one, but it works. There's not a lot of play. Obviously, there's gonna be a little bit of play because it's a quick release, but not a lot of play. super nice. But yeah, overall it looks really good. Alright, now she's all washed and cleaned up. Looks good. Sadly, I found some, I don't know if this is from the wind and bushes in here. There's some scratches on my carbon hood, which is upsetting. But other than that, it's all nice and cleaned up now. Looks good. Headlights restored. Look 10 times better now. Let's go do an update on the fish real quick and I'll see you guys there. Alright, so here's the 30-gallon. Still got the cars. I think we had 4 of these guys. There's only 2 left. There's our male ram. He's still doing good. We have 2 common geophagus in here now. There's the 2 female rams. So you have 2 female rams. I put the two golden snail, Mr. Snails in here. There's a bunch of bristlenose placos in here too. There's a lemon blue eye. There's one of the bigger males. There's also a giant coolie loach in here. So that thing is pretty much empty. There's 2 dead snails and there's some shrimp in there. And then this tank's really low. The other one's getting a water change right now. Everyone in here is doing good. Added some new plants in here. Got some placo cages and stuff. There are 3 bigger, like blue mystery snails are in here. And right here, if you look, we have a snail clutch. I don't know if I can. Right there. So we're gonna baby mystery snails, hopefully, if that's fertile. Looks like the eel's under there. But yeah, so far everything's good with this. Alright, anyway guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. In this video, we restored my headlights. They look really good right now. Can't really see it. Boom. We also did somewhat of the quick release installation. It was my fault because we were at my buddy's house and I kept getting distracted, so I didn't get much recorded of that. Oh, I forgot to update on the Ultima also. It is fully back to stock now. No more squatted Ultima, nothing. That one's getting ready to sell, hopefully soon. But yeah, other than that, fish are all doing good. We're gonna hopefully have some new fish stuff coming soon. We're gonna have a new project. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be different than everything else. It's kind of a giveaway, but yeah. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys here in the next video.